So you're choosing between Fidelity and TIAA for your retirement account. Maybe your university just gave you options, or you're switching providers. These two are completely different animals, and picking the wrong one could cost you thousands in fees or lock you into the wrong strategy. I'm breaking down everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future money breakdowns, and let's dive in. Overview. Fidelity Investments is a massive full-service brokerage platform. Think Amazon of investing. You get stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, crypto, international markets, fractional shares, zero commission trades, and over 10,000 mutual funds. It's built for flexibility and control. TIAA, on the other hand, was founded in 1918 specifically for educators and nonprofit workers. It's not really a brokerage, it's more of a retirement income specialist. Their flagship product is TIAA Traditional, a guaranteed annuity with a 3% floor and lifetime income guarantees. It's about stability, not growth. Already, you can see where this is going. Investment flexibility. Fidelity wins by a landslide. You can trade thousands of assets, US stocks, international stocks from 25 countries, options, bonds, precious metals, and even Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You have complete control. Want to buy individual tech stocks? Done. Want fractional shares for $1? Easy. Extended hours trading? Yep. TIAA, much more limited. You get about 20 ETFs through Nuveen, 170 mutual funds, and their proprietary products like TIAA Traditional and CREF. Many of these are only available through employer plans. If you want broad market access or active trading, TIAA isn't designed for that. Fees and costs. Fidelity, $0 commissions on stocks and ETFs. Options are $0.65 per contract, 0 account minimums. Their robo-advisor, Fidelity Go, is free under $25,000. After that, it's 0.35% annually. Managed advisory services range from 0.3% to 1.5% depending on assets. TIAA. Here's where it gets tricky. TIAA has hidden planned servicing fees that many investors don't realize they're paying. These range from 0.13% to 0.29% annually on top of fund expense ratios. So if you think you're paying 0.04% for a Vanguard index fund at TIAA, you're actually paying closer to 0.17% to 0.33% total. Their advisory services charge 0.4% to 1.15%. Plus, if you hold TIAA Traditional in certain contracts, there are transfer restrictions. The TIAA Traditional Advantage. Here's TIAA's ACE card. TIAA Traditional guarantees your principal with a 3% minimum annual return plus potential additional amounts declared yearly. For 2026, retirees are getting a 0.5% increase in income payments. A recent study showed portfolios with TIAA Traditional outperformed traditional stock bond portfolios in over 93% of retirement scenarios, with an average of $88,879 larger estate balances. If you convert to lifetime income, you get guaranteed monthly checks you cannot outlive. During the 2021 to 2024 bond crash, when the Bloomberg Aggregate Bond Index lost 7%, TIAA Traditional holders gained over 11% in accumulation and got income increases of 5% and 3% in 2022 and 2023. Fidelity doesn't offer anything like this. No guaranteed income. No principal protection. You're exposed to full market risk. Platform and tools. Fidelity crushes it here. Active Trader Pro, the new Fidelity Trader Plus platform. World-class research ranked has-honed by multiple sources. 24/7 customer service. Intuitive mobile apps. Advanced charting, and screeners. It's built for investors who want to take control. TIAA's platform? Users consistently complain it's clunky, outdated, and hard to navigate. Customer service quality varies. The brokerage self-directed option exists, but it's not the focus TIAA wants you in their annuity products. Access and availability. Fidelity, open to everyone. Anyone can open an account tomorrow. TIAA, primarily for employer-sponsored plans in education, healthcare, government, and nonprofits. While they've opened IRAs to the public, many of their best products, like TIAA Traditional with full benefits, are only available through qualifying employer plans. Here's the bottom line. Choose Fidelity if you want maximum flexibility, low costs, active control, diverse investment options, and cutting-edge tools. Perfect for younger investors, active traders, or anyone who wants to manage their own portfolio. Choose TIAA. If you're in education or nonprofit sector with access through your employer, you prioritize guaranteed income and principal protection over growth, you're close to retirement 5 to 10 years out, or you want the certainty of lifetime income without market risk. TIAA Traditional is genuinely unique, but you pay for that safety with less flexibility and higher hidden fees. Most investors under 50 with long time horizons, Fidelity. Older investors or those who value sleep at night safety, TIAA makes more sense. Links to both providers are in the description. If this helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more financial breakdowns. Drop a comment if you went with Fidelity or TIAA and why. See you in the next one.